My name is Gilberto Bauso, and I'm here to talk to you about the best physical conditioning alternative especially designed for our senior citizens. Sistema Viva provides the opportunity to physically exercise thoroughly, safely, and pleasantly in a way you have yet to experience. This exercise system has the ability to adapt to any health limitation you may be experiencing, whether it be physical, physiological, or emotional, by taking you on a choreographic journey throughout all your muscular zones while stimulating your body at your pace according to your own abilities. You have the right to enjoy your adulthood in an independent, self-sufficient, and happy fashion. Sistema Viva has all the tools to ensure that the physical activity you experience is one with lots of fun instead of one with sacrifice and pain. We have earned the respect, endorsement, and commendation from the major institution responsible for the seniors' population health and wellness. Sistema Viva is the only fitness program in Puerto Rico endorsed by the Department of Health. Sistema Viva assures you that through teamwork, using your doctor's advice, and good nutrition, our system will help you reach your absolute enjoyment goal during such a beautiful stage of life. God bless you all.